Yo, what's up, man? My name is Cool Damn Jet. Welcome to my channel. I just want to talk about one thing right now, and this is a book right here called The Complete Penny Stock Guide. I found this through a guru of mine I'm following named Timothy Seitz. If you don't know who he is, you can look him up on YouTube. Why my camera keep doing this, camera? My camera keeps sliding out. But anyway, we're gonna keep going. But you can look him up on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. You can find him. This is the book they recommend. This is mainly his guy, his student, Jamil, put this together. Jamil, dude, you are a genius. I better have said the right name, but I'm coming back to you because you're a beginner like me looking for something to help you out. Get this book. It's on Amazon and it's not high at all. You can get it. Get it. Don't jump into that stock market thing. You better make some money and you know what you're doing. Trust me, I've seen a lot of people went, hello, bye, no, my money's gone. I'm not trying to do the same thing either, so check this book out. Complete Penny Stock Guide, course guide. It's the same thing. I'm saying the same thing. Timothy Seitz, that's the guy we got it through. You should follow him too because he's very smart. He got awesome traders under his belt. Millionaires already make millions. He got students that are doing the damn gone thing. Wow, almost slip up there. So, beginner trader, you need this book. Get it. Get it. I got it. You need to get it. So next time, check me out. Don't forget to hit that like button. Drop a comment below if you are trying to do the same thing. Why am I looking this way? Should be looking this way right here. Dang it, dang it, dang it. This camera right here. You. Hello.
Subscribe.
Subscribe to my channel, man. And I'll be back for more crazy little videos like these. Woo!